guy to this track?
I don't know, man.
Dude, are you about to cry? Dude, it's alright, man. I mean, you don't have to cry, it's just a trick.
Stop filming.
You gotta diss try, dude. You gotta diss try, dude.
I just had such a long day. It's a skate park. Absolutely. Alright, dude. Alright. Okay, alright. Word, kid, that shit was. Dang, that shit was feel like a. Yo. Keep it going! Ow! Fuck! And I keep some of the blunt in this here bottle.
Wow.
It helps me when I
Yeah,
start
it looks
spitting.
like you spit off the top of a fucking lettuce of a McChicken.
You think that's gross? That's blood.
Ew, dude. Ew, the fuck? Where did that come from? Ew, dude.
It came from 6 years of Maverick. Full flavors.
Oh.
Speaking of which, I left them in my car. Smoke them. They're cheap.
Man, God, that fucking weird is out of here.